Welcome to another UniPhi training video. This video will cover creating a contract extension of time. Start in your required project and then click on the Contracts tab to see the status of all contracts. Then select the contract that you need to extend. Scroll down to the Contract Extension of Time panel and press the Add button. Enter all relevant information as it relates to your extension of time. Remember to save your changes. The extension of time can then be formalized through the use of a related document template. Create an extension of time direction. Notice that UniPhi has automatically updated the document with the contents of the EOT. Enter all relevant data as needed and save and continue until you reach finish. When the document has been approved and signed off, you can update the status of the extension of time to approved. For more help, visit any of these support websites or call us for more info.